Hey, bud. You getting ready for bath time? Meow. Hey, buds. You ready for bath time? Yeah, we'll show when you get in the bathtub.
You wanted me to get the light out? But it's nice and warm.
See your butt crack.
Hi, buddy. You ready, buddy? Come on. Come on, sweetheart. Come on, buddy.
You're not gonna volunteer for this one.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
Nope.
See? Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, buddy. Bath time, buddy. Come on. Come on, sweetheart. Come on, buddy. Come on.
He's like, I'm hanging on to the cage.
Oh, well. Come on, buddy.
He's like, nope, let me back on my room.
Come on, buddy.
Now that Buddy can walk, Buddy definitely has a lot more fight in him.
Come on, buddy.
Did he growl at you?
No, he didn't growl at you. Come on, buddy. Come on, sweetheart. Come on.
Come on, bud.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on, buddy. Okay, come on, sweetheart. Let go. Let go. There we go. All right. There's a good boy. Come on, buddy. All right. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
Oh, man. I can't see.
Come on, buddy.
Your hand's in the way.
Come on, buddy. That's a good boy. Good boy, buddy. That's a fine boy. Yes, that's not so bad, as long as I don't get your head too wet, right? In fact, it feels pretty good, doesn't it?
Your arm's dropping everything.
Okay. Time for a little shampoo. Time for a little shampoo for the sweet smelling kitty. We're gonna have to get some more shampoo, sweetheart. Okay, rub-a-dub-dub, one tap in the tub. That's a good boy, buddy. That's a good boy, buddy. There we go, sweetheart. Come on, buddy.
Try to film the cat on your face.
Good little buddy. Okay, buddy, let's rinse you down. Good, buddy. That's a good kitty cat. Yes, so look at all that dirt come out of your coat. Yes, you'll be a fine, fluffy, handsome kitty in just about 30 minutes. Good boy. I think the warm water feels really good to his back as he just sits there and enjoys it.
buddy.
Bye. Hey, buddy. That's a good kitty. Okay, buddy, I think we're ready for drying off. You ready, buddy? Okay. Come on, sweetheart. Whoops. Come on. Yeah, need a little help out of the tub here. There we go. Rub, 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 rub. Scrub, 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 scrub. Yep, let's get the kitty dry. Yep. Let's get the kitty dry. Okay. Yep. Gonna have a dry, fuzzy, fluffy, sweet-smelling kitty here. Hear him purring? Mm-hmm. Not so bad, right, buddy? No, but it's not my favorite either, Dad. Not my favorite, right, buddy? Okay. Let's bring him up here. Come on, buddy. Meow, meow. There we go. And a dry towel. There we go. Hey, buddy. All right.
Takes a little longer, but he'd rather have it on low than high. I think the high-pitched whine of it being on high bothers him. But clearly he's not perturbed by the whole thing. Right, buddy? Oh, yeah. Yep. Oh, little eyes are squint shut. He's a pretty happy cat. Forgot to get his curry comb. I think it's... I'll have to go find it.
Well, buddy, another good job, sweetheart. Come on, buddy. What do you think, bud? Bath is okay, but I'm glad when it's over. No hard feelings. That's a good buddy cat. That's a good buddy kitty.